Hello friends, I would be replacing ear cushions of my headphone. I have a JBL Live650BTnc headphone. I hope you have the same one. I purchased this headphone around 2 years back. It's quite costly. Haven't used much, but I'm not very happy, or I would say I'm rather disappointed with the performance of the cushions. One of the cushions has completely came out. Its resin is wearing off. Foam, you can see the foam, everything has gone such in a terrible condition. Otherwise one is also same. So I would be showing you which one that you can buy, how to open it up and how to fix it back. Okay, so which one to buy is a big question because there are plenty of options available if you search on Amazon or you search on Flipkart or any other site. So the first thing to keep in mind that you need to understand the size of the cushions. So the one that with this particular model, it is 9.2 centimeter by 7.5 centimeters, and internal cushion size is around 4 centimeter by 6, right? So make sure that you order the one that fit into the exact size. So I was looking at on Amazon, the original JBL, the cushions were around 3,000 plus, and there are other brands as well. Some of them were costing 2,000, some of them costing were 1,500 or 1,000, and that's so on. So I purchased the one that I found was quite cheaper among all other, and it costed me around 300 rupees, which isn't very costly. Quality wise, yeah, may not be very great, but then I'm okay because I will give it a try, because of the original one, as I said, were not used much, and if I have to spend another 3,000 plus on replacing this, and again after 2 years same condition, then I'm happy to go for which is cheap enough, and it can still give me maybe 1 year 2 years time, I can replace it again. Alright, so how to open? So these cushions are actually fixed with certain knobs in this particular area, and there are four or five knobs, one on this particular point and then few more here. Similarly on the left side, again there is one knob here and then few in this side. So you can start opening from this particular point and then probably open up all other accordingly. So one of the questions has anyway come out from my headphone, so I will rather show you how to open up this one. You can use knife or anything which is sharp enough that you can, just to make sure that you putting here, yeah, make sure that you don't apply whole pressure, and slowly you take one knob at a time, and you would see it's coming out. Give me okay, yeah, right. So yeah, this is how this will be opened up. Similarly, the other one will also be and this is not very easy to open. So anyway, we're not going to reuse, so you can very carefully you can take this out. Make sure that you don't break the cover itself. So slowly you have to take it off. Yeah, so once you have opened it up, just make sure you remove any unwanted dust out of it. So this can also be taken off, because the one that you're putting will anyway have the filter behind. So it's optional. If you want to keep it, you can keep it, otherwise you can take it off. So I'm going to keep it up as it is, but then you make sure that you take out the dust out of it. You have to remember which one is the left and right. However, if you can see the small semicircle here, this is on the other one as well. So this anyway won't go wrong, because there's the same thing available on your headphone. So this piece is fixed here, and another one will go there, so there's no chance of fitting it other way around. Okay, so now let's attach the new cushions to these sockets. So as I said, there's no left and right kind of issue here, so you can very gently bring the skin over. All right, from all the, and just make sure that you don't tear it off. So yeah, this is how. Similarly, the other one. Yeah. So now let it put it back to the headphone. So as I said, the small notch semicircle here that will fit in here. So that means this piece belongs to this one. So you just align it accordingly and then very gently press it. Yeah. Yeah, so one is fixed. Yeah, here we go. It fixed properly. Other one, yeah. So we got the head cushion replaced for our JBL Live650BTnc, and this brand new back in action again. Thank you for watching, you guys.